guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Candy, and today I'm back again with another interesting video. So I'll be preparing something that is very simple, and as from the title you can tell it's minced meat with peas stew. And whatever I'll be using, or the measurements that I'm using, are meant for, enough for 2 people. So feel free to adjust your quantities to suit the number of people that will be preparing the meal for. And guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, comment, like this video. I'll show you what I'm using and then we start the process. Okay, for the ingredients, I'm using a cooking oil that is here. It's a vegetable oil. And then we have tomato. Actually, it's 1 tomato, 1 carrot, and some fresh peas. You can boil them or choose not to boil them. For me, I haven't boiled them. Garlic and ginger that's already crushed. For the spice, I'm using paprika. Feel free to use the spice that you love. And then I have my minced meat here. So for the vegetables, if you feel like adding capsicum and all that, just go all in. And then I already have some onion already chopped, so I just lit the fire and then we continue. I'll stir this a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to add is the garlic and ginger paste. When your garlic is ready and the onion, go in with the minced meat. Go in and add your minced meat. Stir completely until it's ready. Give it time to cook. Not I feel that we should add some minced meat, right?
Yes.
We add some minced meat.
Yeah, we should add. Probably there's some more minced meat.
So I decided to add more minced meat.
So
that
it's really bad.
It's
Yeah, let me do that. I told you.
So we decided to add some minced meat. I had underestimated the measurements that I was using.
So it means I'm starting for it to become soft like the others, it needs some more stirring.
It needs some more stirring. And today I have an assistant here helping me. Don't be like me, don't add an extra one. Defrost enough in advance so that you avoid this mess that I am in.
So I need to add in some water.
Add in some water so that the other one can defrost. What we've added, the portion that we've added can defrost. Although if you have enough, what do you call it? Minced meat. You don't need to do this. You just move to the next step. But for us, we're going to cover and let it defrost and cook for a while. So as you can see, it's almost drying. So what I'm going to do, you can either wait for it to drain its water completely, or you can just add your then chopped onions at this stage. Another alternative is if you like to blend your onion, just add the blended onions in. So I'll go in with my sorry, tomato. I don't know why I'm calling it tomato. So what I'm going to do is that I'll make sure I go like this. Put it inside there. And then it's at this point that I'm going to add salt. That is here. Just a little, not a lot, like a pinch, like size. This is like a pinch, huh?
Yes.
And do you want to put it?
Yeah.
Let me stand here. Put it carefully. Good job. And then close this for me, please. And then we'll also go in with our paprika. For the paprika, I'll be generous, just a generous amount compared to the salt. Like this size.
It's looking good so far.
It's looking good so far, eh? Ah. So, and then we won't add tomato paste at this point. You make sure your tomato are well covered. So we are going to cover it for around 5 minutes and let it cook well. But if you're using blended tomatoes, just give it like 2 to 3 minutes. So let's see. Don't stay away from what you're cooking, because sometimes you go away and you find that it has gotten burnt here. So you can help it cook faster by crushing the tomatoes, like I am doing. Just, if you don't want to have to do this, I'll have to wait for long for the tomatoes to cook. That's why it's advisable to use blended tomatoes. Okay, this. So as you can see, my tomato is really cooking well. So I just mix everything up. So after you added your carrots, remember, add a little water, not a lot, just enough, like a glass of water, so that the carrots and the peas can cook well. And then you cover it for another like 5 minutes. So this is how it looks. Now it's ready, as you can see. And actually this is a lot. Have it is enough. You'll have it 2 times. So you can have this with chapati. You can also have this with pasta or rice. Like for me, I prefer having it with rice, which is cooking. So today we're going to have this minced meat, this stew. We're going to have that with coconut rice. It's already cooking. So thanks a lot for watching at this point. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Share the recipe and let me know. Remember, as I said earlier, don't limit yourself with spices.